What recent events sparked the Catholic scholars' warning about AI in warfare? The rise of autonomous weapons and global tensions have pushed religious leaders to speak out urgently. Recently, there has been a surge in the development and deployment of autonomous weapon systems. These include AI-controlled drones and robotic combat units capable of making targeting decisions without direct human oversight. This advancement raises ethical and moral concerns about accountability and the potential for unintended consequences in warfare, prompting warnings from scholars and religious leaders worldwide. Another recent event that sparked the warning is the escalation of geopolitical conflicts and an arms race involving AI technology. Countries are rapidly investing in AI military capabilities, fearing they will fall behind. This competitive environment increases the risk of AI being deployed hastily or recklessly in combat, which could lead to devastating humanitarian consequences and destabilize global peace. The Catholic scholars' warning focuses on the moral dimensions of using AI in warfare. They caution that removing human judgment from life-or-death decisions undermines human dignity and ethical responsibility. The scholar emphasizes that machines lack conscience and empathy, which are essential in war to prevent unnecessary suffering and uphold the principles of just conflict. These recent events highlight why Catholic scholars are urgently warning about AI in warfare. The rise of autonomous weapons, accelerating global tensions, and serious moral concerns mean this issue affects us all. Stay informed and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.